rotation of the lens within the capsular band puts stress on the lens lobules. This can lead to zonular dehiscence, especially in cases wherein there is zonular weakness, such as pseudoexfoliation syndrome, Marfan syndrome, among others. After making the initial chop, the handpiece is twisted on the side of the nuclear half that the surgeon would want to engage. Then it is tilted such that the flat face of the phaco tip touches the flat side of the nuclear half. This gives you more control when you begin to engage the nucleus. And then the chop is made, and the quadrant can be emulsified. Then, the next quadrant can be hooked towards the center so the phaco tip can engage it and emulsify. Alternatively, the twist and tilt can be done to engage the proximal quadrant. For the other nuclear half, the handpiece is again twisted on the same side and then tilted. Once engaged, the nucleus is pulled towards the center. This releases the adhesion of the nucleus on the bag, and tension is also released. The nucleus can now be freely rotated without any effect on the bag. For the proximal quadrant, the twist and tilt can also be done to engage it. The rest of the surgical procedure is routine. This technique can be done even in small pupils. This is a post-angle closure attack with a previous trabeculaectomy. Iris atrophy and iridectomy can be seen. These cases can result in weak zonules, and the twist and tilt technique can be used to lessen zonular stress. This was also done on a keratouveitis case. This is a white cataract with a corneal scar. This clip shows a faster application of the twist and tilt technique. Finally, this is an application of the twist and tilt technique on a cataract with multiple points of capsular fibrosis. It might be helpful in these cases since unseen fibrosis could have adhesions that would create more zonular stress when the lens is rotated. The twist and tilt technique can be done with or without hydrodissection. Twisting and tilting of the handpiece provides additional angular reach of the phaco tip within the anterior segment. And facing the phaco tip bevel to the flat surface of the heminucleus gives the surgeon more control on impalement location and pulling direction.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.